Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can use QuickBooks with eBay. So let's get started. First, log into your eBay account or create a new one if you don't already have it. You can also sign up quickly using your Google, Facebook, or Apple account. Next, go to the QuickBooks website and choose the plan that best fits your needs. If you don't already have a QuickBooks account, just create one and then select your plan. Once you're inside the QuickBooks dashboard, look at the left panel. Hover over Apps and then click on Find Apps. In the search bar, type eBay, then click on eBay Connector. From there, simply click Get App Now. You'll be asked to grant permission to connect eBay with QuickBooks. Just click Connect to continue. Alternatively, you can also use Zapier to create integrations between eBay and QuickBooks. On Zapier's website, just click Connect these apps, and from there, you'll be able to set up integrations, customize events, and more. And that's it. You've now connected your eBay business with QuickBooks. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.